How to buy fires, the LAA fires, and present the token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this token, it's increased by 800% in the last 24 hours. And the liquidity, as you can see here, it's locked by 99%. That's good. It means that your investment in a safe place. Now, as you can see, this token, it's available in the screen, as you can see, guys. Now, to be able to buy this token, go and copy the token address from here, as you can see. And this token came under the Solar network. Now, the best wallet for that is by opening your Phantom wallet. Now, after that, what you need to do, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click here and paste the token address, as you can see. This is our token. Now, click on it and here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. And as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. Now, in the provider, just click on it and select your provider from here, as you can see. For example, Jupiter. And after that, make sure you have to read all of this information and click on swap to be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, just go back to this page and switch the sleep hash from here or custom it. And after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Fires token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.